Guys, Ashu here again, and today we are going to be making a game about basketball. So we can figure out how to make the basketball move and how to go onto the hoops. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to go into it step by step slowly on code.org. So see ya! Hey guys, today we are going to be doing some game designs. So today we are going to be making a game that requires your own basketball game. You can change all the rules whenever you're done. Click share to let friends try your game on their phones. You might be thinking, where do we go where do we go to get this? So first go into create. For me, it already says here because I'm just in it. You go into view all projects. Then you scroll down and press view full list. Then you press basketball. And here it is. I'm gonna name this Basketball City. Okay, press save and it saves. Okay, now let's design. I'm gonna make it a little bit neat so it's easier to read. Okay. The 4 steps to creating game is to define the purpose. We need to specify the purpose of a game. Of the game. So what do we have to do? Okay, so whenever we're gonna put a basketball that comes, and whenever the hand touches it, it bounces off, and it bounces on the walls. And if it goes into this hoop, you get a point. Okay. Now, the second one is to design the game. We specify the object / character / background of the game. The third one is to code the rules. We specify the rules of the game and code accordingly. The fourth one, lastly, is run the game and check if it works. Okay, now let's keep on going. Set hand, different colors of hands. I like mine where it is. Okay, you can set your team. There's so many. Okay, now we need it's because we can't move it. Look, I can't move it. So that's why we are going to be making whenever the left arrow, then move left. Whenever the right arrow, move right. Okay, you got 2 down. Whenever a ball hits hand, then I'm gonna play a bounce sound. Oh, one thing. We also need to throw a new ball whenever it runs. Okay, that's good. Now whenever the ball hits the wall, it's gonna play a bounce sound again. Then it's gonna bounce the ball. Whenever the ball is in the goal, then then I'm gonna make a net swish. After that, we're gonna score a point, then throw new ball, and then play cheering sound. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, it makes a bounce sound whenever we do it. It's going a little bit slow, right? I'm gonna try to aim for the net. Yes. Wait, let me do it again. It's going a little bit too slow. So let's see. Oh, it says normal hand speed and normal ball speed. We can use those two. I'm gonna do fast ball speed and very fast. Okay. Okay, whenever the ball misses the hand, then we're gonna do a whistle sound, because that's the referee whistling. Okay, then we're gonna do score opponent point. Oh yeah, whenever the ball is, when the ball misses hand, play whistle sound and score the opponent point. Okay, let's see. Do we have anything else that we can put? Move left, move right, move, bounce ball, play bounce sound, score point, score opponent point, throw new ball. Oh yeah, whenever the ball misses the hand, play whistle sound, score opponent point, and throw new ball, because we want to keep this game going. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works. That whistle sound works. Aha! A way to make the game more interesting is to, whenever the ball in goal, we throw 2 new balls. And whenever the ball misses the hand, then that's it. And if that ball misses the hand, then the game is over. It's kind of like you have to keep on going. Uh-oh. Okay, let's just see if it works. I'm gonna like... Okay, why is it making that that whatever sound? Okay. Right. Oh, aha. Another way to make it more interesting is to make it go like that. Okay, you guys can design like however you want to like make the game, but I'm gonna use like this. Oh yeah. Look, whenever I press the opposite one, then it's gonna go the opposite way. This kind of look a little bit hard. Phew, good thing there's another ball. Okay. So that's how to make it. You can share it with any of your friends by sending them to their phone, copying the link or doing anything. Okay, so we already made our own basketball game, which you can customize anytime. I'm gonna play a little bit, see if it works a lot. I mean, not works, but just enjoying it. I'm gonna play it for a little bit of time. Okay, now it's getting a little bit wacky. Okay, now it's getting a little bit wacky. The basketball hand should be pretty much tired. Okay. Yeesh, I think that's enough. Yeah, so that's how we can do it. Sometimes it goes a little bit wacky is because we do throw new ball, so I'm just gonna get this one out. And yes, we got ourselves our own new basketball game.